somebody that makes you feel wild. You couldn't beat this at all if you tried. In the darkest of nights when our bodies collide, that love that is so hard to find.